Hi guys, my name is Pang. Welcome back to my video, and today I am going to be showing you how to acclimate my Alocasia tissue culture. This is an Alocasia black velvet. I got two of these and I actually dropped it, so I broke the agar, but doesn't matter. And I will keep this video as short as possible, so let's get started. What I will be using for this video is some sphagnum moss. It is a fresh moss. If you can't find it, you can also use dry moss and then submerge it into water, squeeze it out. And I got some plastic cup containers, so you can use any kind of containers, just make sure that it can trap humidity inside. And I will be using this spray bottle. You don't need one if you don't have, so it's optional. Let's get started. Now it's time to remove the plants from the jar. Start by gently taking them out and rinsing the roots to remove all the agar. While handling the plant, I accidentally broke off a small potential shoot, but since it has a tiny root attached to it, I'm going to try to grow it out anyways. It's really important to get as much of the agar off as possible. Leftover agar can hold too much moisture and can cause root rot or fungal issues. If the agar is stubborn, don't worry. You can gently brush it off using a soft brush or your fingers. Just be careful not to damage those delicate roots. Next, let's prep the moss. I mist the sphagnum moss until it's nice and moist, just enough to feel damp but not soaking. Then place the moss into the container. Carefully position your plant into the moss, making sure all the roots are covered. Do not press the moss down too hard. You want to keep it light and airy so the roots can breathe. And here's a bonus tip. Make sure that the leaf isn't touching the walls of the cup or the humidity dome, whatever you're using. When the leaves stick onto the edge, they can't evaporate moisture properly and are more likely to rot due to trapped humidity. Finally, give everything a light mist, and I also like to mist inside of the lid to help create some condensation. Then cover the lid tight. Lastly, I place my plants underneath my grow light, but if you don't have one, that's totally fine. You can also place it somewhere with a mild indirect light, like a windowsill. Just be careful not to put it under intense direct sunlight, especially during midday hours. That can easily burn your plant. So that's it for this video, and it's a very quick one, and I hope this helps. See you on the next video. Bye.